Hey, what's going on, everyone? D. Anthony here with Evolution Traders. What we are looking at is my TradeZella dashboard. So recently kind of been tracking this funded account with Apex just to kind of get some better insight, not only for myself, but to kind of share with everyone else out there. So ever since getting my hands on this PA account, I think it's been around 2.5 weeks now, and I'm going to double check that here, but it's been around 2.5. This is going on the 3rd week here. The current P&L is up $3,385.66, hitting at 83% winning trades, 100% winning days. So we have taken no losing days here. However, we have taken losing trades. Again, we are always going to lose trades. Just want you guys to remember that. Total number of trades that we have taken in this account since linking up to TradeZella here is 54 trades. 54 of those are winners. 11 of those are losers. Our average win rate to loss rate is 147 versus 414. Those numbers are skewed because we did have 2 trades where after getting in, I wasn't able to drop that stop loss in time and the market pulled back 15 points. It's going to happen, right? Let's get those auto brackets in there. That will definitely prevent that from happening. Profit factor is 1.74. If you don't know what a profit factor is, definition is total profits divided by total losses. A profit factor above 1 indicates a profitable trading system. So we can see a nice uptrend on this equity curve. Again, when I come out of the gates on a funded account, I am trying to gradually build that account as quickly as I can, as safely as I can, and then start trying to smooth that out the closer I get when I hit that payout threshold until I get that payout. Again, we can see some of the days here: 748 winning day here, 843 winning day here, 396 here, 31 here, 161, 176, 263. So forth and so forth. I can change this date range. If we can go to the last 30 days. No, that is what we're looking at already. So this month alone. Okay, so that's total since inception of this account. So $3,300 profit. It's been about 3 weeks. Within the last 2 weeks, we are up $2,600, 80% winning trades, 1.58 profit factor, 100% winning days, so forth and so forth. So again, what we can also look at here is a daily journal. I'm going to need to make some notes for yesterday because, again, yesterday, as explained and highlighted in one of my YouTube videos, we went down early. Okay, so we went down early, almost $600, and then we had to scratch and crawl and fight our way back. Again, what have you guys already known about my behavior here? Notice the days where I take losing trades early, and this is typically within the first 5 to 10 minutes of the day, 5 to 20 minutes of the day. Look at the total number of trades, okay? And I created a note here talking about sizing down or talking about taking less trades. But the total number of trades is 18. The win rate was 61%. Notice the days where the strategy is working. 7 trades. Notice this day. Oh, this is 4th of July. I only took 1 small trade there. Monday, 7 trades. Okay, 7 trades. 3 trades, up 170. 4 trades today, up 275. But notice yesterday, same situation where maybe that first setup of the day does not work. That is causing me emotionally to kind of go not on tilt, but to start searching for more trades more faster than I need to be. No reason why I needed to take 17 trades yesterday. Okay, yes, we finished in the green, $243, but this could have got sticky, and it could have got sticky very, very quickly. So again, I need to learn from these mistakes, and they're not really mistakes, but I need to make the adjustment to be more disciplined, I guess we should say. 17 trades, I don't like it. Even though this was a $900 day here, I would rather look at days where, you know, we have 7 trades, you know, 3 trades, hell, even 1 trade for $35. We'll take it. 4 trades. Why? Because there's less stress involved. Okay, there's less stress involved when, you know, when we're taking less trades, and there's less opportunity to lose money. So what is the rule here? What needs to come of this? Well, one thing that I've implemented since yesterday is this week I'm not taking any trades the first 30 minutes of the market. Okay, we're gonna try to avoid those days. We're gonna try to avoid these mornings. Okay, by not trading the first 30 minutes, just so I can see a little bit more price action develop, and maybe I have a cleaner head. Second is, if I do take 1 losing trade or 2 losing trades early, maybe let's wrap it up. Okay, let's wrap it up. instead of trying to scratch and crawl my way back to flat, maybe let's just stop on the day down 200 or stop on the day down 250. That emotionally will be a lot less stressful because I know that I followed my rules, and I'm just coming back the next day. And you can see here, we would have came back the next day, made 275, and we're back where we need to be. So those two adjustments I'm going to continue to make here. Now I just need get through next pay cycle period here with Apex so we can crest that payout. Again, I wanted to kind of share this journey on this account because we're basically using two entry setups, a 20 SMA setup. We're also using some mean reversion trades off of hourly levels of support or resistance to go long or short, kind of looking for those reversals off the bottom or reversals off the top. But those are basically the two models that we're trading. We're looking for 5 points, take profit. We're also trying to keep the stop losses around $200 to $250 per trade. So that'll also be something to kind of consider. Again, so just want to kind of recap this and show everyone where we're at and how we stand here and kind of keep this, gravy train rolling. Again, practice good discipline, practice good risk management, so forth and so forth. If you guys found any value on this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you guys are looking to sign up with Apex or Top Step, those links are down in the description box below. If you guys would love a fantastic community to trade with myself and maybe ask all the questions you want and, work with a great team of other traders, that link is down in the description box below. And I'll see all of you guys on the next video.